Hello students. Yesterday we have learnt notice writing. In that we have seen what is a notice, what are the main characteristics of a notice, format of a notice, what are the value points we should follow at the time of writing a notice, types of notices, and also various topics which may be asked in the examination on notice writing. In that we have seen two topics yesterday. One is meeting, the other one was event. We have also seen the examples of meeting and event notice writing topics. Today we shall be seeing the topics lost and found as well as appeal or warning. I have also given couple of examples as homework to you. I hope you have completed your homework. Now let us start today's topics of notice writing, lost and found, and appeal or warning. Lost and found. So many of the times we may be seeing that in school or in some places we may be losing something, some goods, or we might have found something. So when we have found something or when we have lost something, how to write a notice in order to inform to the concerned persons or to the people or students about this. So let us see first example of lost and found. So the question is, Ramanujan has lost his English book entitled History of English Literature by Smith. He decides to put up a notice on the students' notice board of the school. He is a student of class 12th of St. Kabir School, New Delhi. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. So we know the format of notice very well. We have to write first the name of the institution wherein or who is issuing it. So it is given already in the question. It is St. Kabir School. And below that we should be writing notice in block letters. Then the date, and below that we should write yes. We should write the title or description of the subject. Here it is lost. So what is lost? It is the English book which is lost. So that should be the title or description of the subject. And as I have told earlier, it should be underlined. Now let us see what is the content, how we should write. So in this content, you should follow the following rules. That is, what is the article which is lost or found you should write. You should write the date, time, place, identification marks, and whom to contact if at all it is found. Let us see all this in the content now. So a very costly red bound entitled History of English Literature written by Smith has been lost today during preparation time near the physics laboratory. So in this we have informed about the article which is lost and the date of the article when it was lost, that is today. The article has lost, so it has been lost today. And timing also we have written during preparation time, as well as where it was lost, the place near the physics laboratory. So we should write even the contents or the identification marks of the article lost. So we are writing, it has a laminated transparent cover with the author's name written on the first page. It bears the stamp of British Council Library, New Delhi. So we have written the identification marks and also the contents. So if at all it is found, whom to be contacted? So it is finder is requested to hand over the same to the undersigned. So we have even written that. So all the details are written over here. Now we can add few more points over here also, like a suitable reward is promised to the finder. So a complete notice writing of topic lost and found is written, and it is very clear, I hope, to you. And below that, at last, Ramanujan, it is the name is already given, class 12th A. Now let us see the next question and next topic, that is notice writing regarding appeal or warning. So this question is about an appeal. Let us see the question. Your school is organizing a blood donation camp in association with the Red Cross Society of India. Write a notice giving essential details about the same. Sign yourself as the principal of the school. Word limit 50 words. So this is regarding the blood donation camp which is conducted by Red Cross Society of India. Where is it conducted? In your school. So let us start. So Jawahar, you can, no school name is given, you can just invent something. Let us take a hypothetical school name, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, and the place name Kapurthala. Below that we should write, yes, the word notice in block letters, then the date. Now what is the title or description of the subject of this notice? Yes, it is blood donation camp. Now let us write the content. In content, yes, what are the important things you should write? Name of the organizer, objective or purpose. Let us see whether it is there or not. All the members of the staff as well as students of this school are hereby informed that the Red Cross Society of India is organizing a blood donation camp in our school as per the following details. Yes, the name of the organizer is written. Who is that? The Red Cross Society of India. And also what is the objective for the same? A blood donation camp. And where it is conducted? In our school. And here even the details are also written. So what are they? First is date, when it is going to be conducted. So it is 2nd February 2011. Then the time, it is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then the venue where it is going to be conducted, that is School Assembly Hall. And who are eligible in order to donate the blood? Yes, the age limit is given above 15 years. All are requested to please come forward and donate blood for a noble cause. So this is the line with which we are ending the content of the notice. Below that, the signature of principal and name, S.K. Pant, principal. So this is how you should be writing a notice of appeal. Now let me give homework to you. This question has come in CBSE in 2016. Yesterday during lunch break, you misplaced your notes on chemistry lectures. You want to get them back. Write a notice in about 50 words for the school notice board. You are Karuna or Karan, a student of class 12th A. Now this is what? Yes, this is notice writing of topic lost. So what is lost? Chemistry notes. That is notes on chemistry lectures. Is any school name given? School name is not given. So you can invent something, or you can write Khana Makkan Public School, Vrindavan. Below that you should be writing in block letters, in capital letters, the word notice. Below that on left hand corner, date, and below that you should be writing title or description of the subject. And what is that? Yes, you can write chemistry lectures notes lost, or lost chemistry lecture notes. You can write the title lost chemistry lecture notes, and in content you have to write what are the details you should be writing in content. Date. So you should be writing what is the article which is lost initially, then when it is lost, the date, time and place at which it was lost, and also the identification marks or the contents in order to identify, yes, in order to identify the lost article. Then whom it has to be and whom one has to be contacted if at all it is found. Below that you should be writing Karuna or Karan, student of class 12th A. I expect you to complete the homework today itself and not to postpone the same. Let us see the another example of appeal or warning. So in this also there is an appeal. This question has come in, yes, in 2016. Water supply will be suspended for 8 hours, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 6th of March for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj, Secretary, Janata Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Kurnool. Now here they have given the name of the organization or institute. And what is that? Janata Group Housing Society, Kurnool. So you have to write Janata Group Housing Society, Kurnool. Below that the word, yes, notice in capital letters. Below that on left hand corner the date, and below that title or subject of the notice. And what is that here? What is the subject of the notice? Yes, it's a simple one, cleaning of water tank, on cleaning water tank. That should be the title or description, and it should be underlined. And below that you should write the content, and in content you should definitely write what is the objective or purpose of this notice, that is cleaning water tank, with date, time and, yes, place or venue. So place is of course the housing society itself. And what is the appeal you are going to make to them? And what is the appeal? Yes, in order to, what is you are going to advise them, and what is the advice? That the residents, you are advising or requesting the residents to store water for a day. These are the words of appeal. And if at all any instructions are there, you can give accordingly. And at last you can add up a word like, we regret for the inconvenience caused. And below that it should be, who is the person who is going to write this notice? Yes, you are Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj. So Karan Kumar, Karuna Bajaj, and the designation is Secretary. This is how you should complete this notice writing of appeal. Complete even this today itself. Don't postpone the things.